What's up, Rocketbook fans? We're here at Lookout today about to beacon their business. Let's go.
First name Captain, last name Mitchell. I'm the Deacon of Beacons. Greetings, everyone. I am Captain Mitchell, here to free your whiteboards of their earthly bounds. Beacons are 4 reusable silicone stickers that you place at the 4 corners of your whiteboard. You then download the Rocketbook app, and you can scan your whiteboard, and it perfectly detects a PDF and sends it to whatever cloud destination you would like. Where can I find the snacks? What's going on, guys? This is Captain Mitchell. I'm here at Lookout, and we just beaconed their business.